nakati ya Sheffield, donc tu allez présenter tout allez représenter Info 16 nakati ya Sheffield. Abengi nyonso boza partout dans le monde, bo s'abonner nakati ya site nabiso o ezali www.info16.com. Kota nakati okozwa information nyonso o okosepela na yango. Bye.
Hello, I'm Sheila Fonsu, originally from Angola. I'm here to talk about the Info6 website, which is an amazing that I would definitely recommend for you. If you are interested in fashion, shopping, politics, whatever, this website would be the perfect because it will give you like information about everything around all over the world. If you are a foreign student like me who is in England and from Angola and want to get more information about back home, please do so. The website will be down here. It's www.info6.com. Please do it now. I'll see you.
Muito bom dia, boa tarde, boa noite. Gostaria de vos convidar para subscreverem o canal www.info16.com. Nesse canal você vai encontrar muitas informações, qualquer informação que você quiser, política, música, moda, fashion, educação. Então subscrevam esse canal e fiquem em paz.
Boko tá na Info6, boko zwa informação a solo.
Please subscribe to www.info16.com. Like the video, watch the video, info16.com. Like the video, watch the video. Botala Info6, Botala Info6, Botala Info6. Sit Ivan Omboka. Sit Ivan.